Hi, my name is Dr. Hugh Reid. I'm a senior research fellow in the Department of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology at Monash University. I've been at Monash University for the last nearly 20 years. My father was a teacher, and he was once told, "I think we should forget academics for Hugh. I think he should take up a trade." I took that as a challenge and tried to prove him wrong. My interest in multiple sclerosis stems from trying to understand how the immune system attacks self tissue, which can happen in several different autoimmune diseases. But in multiple sclerosis, of course, it acts on the central nervous system. And very little is actually known about the pathogenic mechanisms associated with the generation of the disease. So I'm interested in understanding at the molecular level how these triggering events occur, and to try to piece them together to find ways to short circuit such pathogenic mechanisms to try to aid in the treatment of the disease. My project is looking at the molecular basis of the immune attack on the brain in multiple sclerosis patients. We're interested in something called antigen recognition, whereby the proteins produced by the body are recognized by the immune system as being foreign, whereby the T cells in the immune system launch an attack against them. And we're interested in understanding at the molecular level how this occurs. And by understanding this at the molecular level, we'll try to prevent the triggering of this inflammatory response. I'd particularly like to thank the donors, contributors, and all the people who work for MS Australia and all the volunteers. Without your efforts, so much of our work wouldn't be able to be done. The one thing that we want to do is to be able to provide you with answers and help you along the way to try to prevent this disease and try and nip it in the bud.